Meaning of duck-billed platypus.
Duck-billed platypus.
Duck-billed platypus.
Duck-billed platypus.
Duck-billed platypus. The duck-billed platypus is a small, semi-aquatic mammal native to eastern Australia. It gets its name from its unique physical characteristics: a broad, flat, duck-like bill and webbed feet similar to those of a duck. Despite being a mammal, it lays eggs rather than giving birth to live young, making it one of the only egg-laying mammals in the world. Its distinctive features and unusual reproductive system have made the duck-billed platypus an iconic and popular animal among scientists and the general public alike.